Imagine you could get cash from your smart home thermostat the way you can an ATM machine. Well, in this video, I'm going to cover the 7 settings on your smart home thermostat that actually put cash back in your wallet. I'm Eddie Field with Field Guide to DIY. We've got a lot to cover, so let's dive in. The first thing you want to do is you want to take advantage of the scheduling feature of your smart home thermostat. This is the Amazon smart home thermostat, and it allows me to go in there and set my time home, my time away, and my time in bed. And I can adjust the thermostat accordingly based on those times because I don't want to be heating or cooling the house when there's nobody home. Now, another thing you want to do is you want to pair your smart home thermostat with the app on your phone or mobile device. This allows you to go in there remotely or at your convenience, whether even from the couch, and set up the scheduling that way. You can also do so when you're out of town. Say, oh, I forgot to set the thermostat. Now you can, from the airport or from the hotel, you can jump on your system from home and set it up for away mode. Now, speaking of scheduling, the U.S. Department of Energy recommends that you set your thermostat to 68 degrees in the winter and 78 degrees in the summer. The Department of Energy also recommends that overnight we set our thermostats to 66 degrees because a lot of us like to bundle up with a blanket. Now, are these temperatures recommended by the Department of Energy way too cold or way too warm for you? Let me know in the comments below. Now, another thing you can do with Alexa is you can set up routines. That is, with your voice command, not using scheduling, but just with your voice command. Tell it good night to adjust the thermostat to overnight mode. Tell it goodbye as you leave the house to set to away temperature. Or set the routine to hello when you walk in the door to tell it to return to your at-home temperature. All with the command of your voice. Did you know that you can actually enable away detection? That's right, with your system, it can actually detect whether someone's been home or away, completely out of the house for an hour or two, and it can adjust the thermostat accordingly, setting your thermostat to the away temperature, saving you hundreds, if not thousands a year. Now, here's a bit of a no-brainer, but if your thermostat is in a sunny place, like in front of a window, you should actually put a shade or close the blinds so it doesn't get a false sense of how hot the rest of the house is. This is going to blow your mind. With the Amazon Smart Home Thermostat and the Alexa app, you can actually set up Hunch Mode. That's right. The system actually tries to base your schedule. If you share your schedule with it and turn on detection, it can work together with the thermostat and try and predict the behavior that's most optimal. It senses when you're going to be home. It senses your schedule, your patterns. With Hunch Mode, you don't even have to go into the system. It detects when you're going to be home. It detects when you're going to be back. It detects when you go to bed and programs and schedules the thermostat accordingly. That's Amazon Hunch Mode. There are a host of other energy-saving solutions offered on your smart home app. In addition to control and schedules, you also have the energy dashboard that allows you to go in and see your energy usage and makes recommendations accordingly on how you can save even more energy and money. You can also sign up for energy incentives in your area, like for your power company. Because you have a smart home thermostat, they'll actually help you, give you a discount on your monthly bill. And you can even use other Alexa devices as remote sensors for your thermostat to judge the temperature throughout your house. Are you forgetful? Do you forget to change the air filter in your HVAC unit? You know that could be a huge draw on your energy bill every year. Well, with the Alexa app, you can actually set reminders and it can actually get in there and actually order the filters for you if you plug in the right size for your HVAC system. The Amazon app, working in conjunction with your Amazon smart home thermostat, can actually give you smart energy usage reports that can give you recommendations of how to better optimize your temperature setting at the house. So with these reports, you can incorporate scheduling, away mode, thermostat settings, etc., or adjusting the temperature comfort level. I'm a little bit chilly during the summer. I didn't realize I was going to be that cold. Well, you can actually save some money by just bumping up the temperature during the summer. You know, if you implement these changes today, you could turn your thermostat into an ATM, putting cash back in your wallet, hundreds if not thousands of dollars a year. I'm Eddie Field with Field Guide to DIY. If you think this is helpful, click the image on your screen now to see other helpful videos and tips.